For almost everything alive on Earth, oxygen comes from light, forests, algae, photosynthesis. Sunlight powers life itself. That's what we've always believed. But recently, deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, in total darkness, scientists discovered something impossible. Oxygen, appearing where no sunlight exists. No plants, no photosynthesis, nothing that should produce life-giving air. And now researchers are asking the terrifying question: what else is happening at the bottom of the ocean that we still don't understand? For billions of years, Earth followed one simple rule. No sunlight meant no oxygen production. That rule shaped biology itself. Plants use sunlight to split molecules and release oxygen. Without light, the process should stop completely, which is why this discovery shocked researchers. Because the oxygen appeared in one of the darkest places on Earth. The discovery happened in the Clarion-Clipperton Zone, a massive, abyssal plain in the Pacific Ocean, one of the least explored places on Earth. Pressure here is crushing, temperatures hover near freezing, sunlight never reaches this depth, and yet, the seafloor is covered with strange black rocks called polymetallic nodules. At first glance, they seem lifeless, but scientists are beginning to suspect they may be doing something extraordinary. At first, scientists thought the sensors were broken because oxygen levels were rising instead of falling. That shouldn't happen, especially in total darkness. Researchers recalibrated equipment, repeated measurements, checked for contamination, but the readings continued. Something on the ocean floor appeared to be generating oxygen, and nobody knew how. Researchers began calling it dark oxygen, oxygen produced without sunlight. Some scientists proposed a shocking explanation. The metallic nodules themselves might act like natural batteries, generating tiny electrical currents, enough to split seawater molecules apart, hydrogen and oxygen. Electrolysis happening naturally at the bottom of the ocean. If true, this changes everything. These nodules take millions of years to form, layer by layer, metal accumulating slowly in darkness. They contain manganese, nickel, cobalt, copper, which is exactly why corporations want them, because these metals power electric vehicles, batteries, modern technology, meaning humanity may begin mining one of the strangest ecosystems on Earth before fully understanding what it actually does. Not everyone agrees the discovery is real. Some scientists argue the oxygen readings may be flawed. Others say the electrolysis explanation doesn't make sense. And that's where things become fascinating. Because science advances through conflict, not certainty. Right now, researchers around the world are debating whether dark oxygen exists at all, which means we may be witnessing something rare, a scientific mystery unfolding in real time. The deep ocean is already filled with organisms that seem alien. Creatures surviving, crushing pressure, freezing darkness, toxic chemicals, and almost no energy. Some species create their own light. Others survive using chemical reactions instead of sunlight, which raises another disturbing possibility. What if dark oxygen has existed for millions of years and life evolved around it long before humans discovered it? If oxygen can form naturally without sunlight, then life may exist in places we never imagined, beneath the ice oceans of Europa, inside Enceladus, deep underground on distant worlds. This discovery may not only change Earth science, it may change the search for alien life itself, because perhaps life doesn't need sunlight nearly as much as we thought, and that possibility is enormous. Humanity has explored more of the moon than the bottom of our own oceans, and maybe that should concern us. Because hidden beneath kilometers of darkness, the Earth may still be doing things we cannot explain, producing oxygen in impossible places, creating ecosystems we barely understand, rewriting the rules we thought life obeyed. And the strangest part is, this mystery was here the entire time, waiting in the dark below us.